So guys, here's my deep fried ice cream. I'm loving it. Wow, wow, wow. Job well done, guys. Job well done. I'm loving it. Loving it, loving it, loving it. Hey guys, today I'm making a deep fried ice cream. I already put my ice cream here and it's already melting, guys. So I'm taking my ice cream to the freezer for 2 hours. So I will see you after 2 hours, guys. So guys, after 2 hours, we take our bread. You can use white bread, brown bread. It's up to you. And then we cut this brownish stuff. And then we press it. We press it, press it, press it. Until it becomes thin. And then our ice cream. Then we close it. Close it, close it. We make it round like a ball. If it's not closed properly, we took another bread, press it again, press it, press it, and then cut this brownish stuff. Then yes, our ice cream and bread. So now guys, here's our ice cream and bread. So we are making an egg wash now. So guys, egg wash is egg and a little bit of milk. That's the egg wash. And then mix it, mix it, mix it. And then we put our ice cream in here. And then after putting it in here, You can use breadcrumbs. You can use, I'm using wheat bix. I'm using wheat bix. And then we put our ice cream and bread in here and we coat it. It must be fully coated, guys. It must be fully coated. And make sure it's closed properly. Make sure it's properly closed, guys. And then we put it in the freezer for an hour. See you after an hour, guys. So guys, after an hour, here's the pan. We put oil and we take it to the stove to warm up the oil. So guys, our oil is hot now. Let's put our ice cream. And put it at the stove until it's gold and brown. So here's our deep fried ice cream, guys. And then paper towel. Voila! Can you see that, guys? This is our deep fried ice cream. Let's see. Can you see that? Can you see that, guys? Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Job well done. This is our deep fried ice cream, guys. Can you see that ice cream? Can you see that? So thank you guys for subscribing, for commenting, and see you on my next video. Love you guys. Bye.